this is the best that I could fit the Moomin House, what we've done so far. This wall here is the one we've just made, and it's just leaning in there. It's kind of just to make sure that it gets the right shape. And these are the two windows which are in the right place, but again not fitted, and I'm going to take them out because they are really loose. I have put the roof on, but it's not attached, the same as the floor underneath. Now you will notice when you come to do yours that that floor is slightly bigger than the ceiling, and that's because the frame just pops underneath there. So I'm going to take this off as well because I could probably leave that on. Alright, so what I did for electric wise is the box for it, the power box. Oh, let's go on these. So these are all separate, so I'm going to just get rid of those. That's the little house. It's got some weathering on it. I also did the front one, I'm guessing this will be, which is just standard, nothing special on it. And then the wood one, which we did recently. Sorry, my puppy's playing noisily in the background. Hold on, she wants covering up. She is a baby. Although it's quite warm today, so I'm surprised. Okay, so that's kind of where they are. So if I pull this drawer open, that's where I put all my electrics. And then I'll show you all the way around it, and you can see. So let's see. So you can see that the lights have come on. You can see quite a few of the bulbs, certainly one over there, one down here, one there. She's having a little temper tantrum like a 2-year-old. Anyway, and go there, and if I turn it around slowly, some of this furniture is fixed, others isn't. If I turn it around slowly, you should be able to see the other lights and things like that. I did have one inside a flue, but it kind of has isn't working anymore. But all these lights are done, and what I did was, you can see here, and this will be hidden, is I just ran them along the ceiling, popped some holes in the floor towards the back here, and then ran wires down the walls, and you can see here that they're joined up, held them together with Bondet, and then a lot of them go behind here, so you don't even see them, but you will see that there are some others. I think there's some others hidden behind the little clock over here, over this side. So basically I tried to hide them. There was a red light in here, but it stopped working. But you can see, I mean, every room does have a light. I might put some shades on them, but at the moment that's the way it is. Other thing I wanted to point out on mod wise was on here I've kind of put some artexed, so every ceiling has like an artexed finish to it. The bottom run here had black beams. Need to tidy this up a bit actually. Had black beams that was varnished. All of the others are just where using the dye and that sort of thing. So like I say, all of these are in. This one actually does need pushing down, so I'll give that some effort. It does mean sometimes though that the these two join in, the flooring and the ceiling from below, don't join up as well as they would if it didn't have modification, because the wires are actually running underneath here. So hopefully you get them flat. That's the aim. All right, the other one, other than the artexed for the ceiling, and I'll show you the stuff I use for that, is the stairs, and I have put some gold sparkling paper, basically sticky paper on there, and also some red for the gosh, what are they called? I know the name of this too. Gone. It's not the runners, because the runner, maybe it is the runners. And I also artex the outside of this, so these walls do fit on. Like I said, I have put it up against it, and that's what it looks like, and that's what I did with my wiring. So I kept it reasonably simple. The attic isn't going to end up with any wiring, but really kept it quite simple. Let me show you the other bits and pieces that I got as well, some of which will be premium. All right, speak to you in a mo. Okay, so what I used for Artex, believe it or not, was something called Bobble It. I bought mine in Tesco's for £1, and all it is I stuck, it's stringy, a bit sticky. I stuck this on whatever I wanted to show as Artex, like the stairs, because I didn't like the plastic look, and also on the ceiling, so it looked like Artex, and that's what I used, and then I gave it, gosh, must have been 2 or 3 coats of acrylic white paint. Right, some of the other bits and pieces that we have. So you saw we made the bed there, also made the mirror, which the drawers are now in. So as you can see, because they fall out, and that's the beauty of this is the paint means that it's not sticky and it's not a terrible color match. So that's those. Put those to one side. Other things, we made a tent right at the beginning of the build, and that's a ball of wool by the looks of it, or a cabbage. I think it's a cabbage. Right, character wise, got this one. I'm not going to get all the names. I'm not even going to try. Got this one. Also got this one and this one, and he has a little hat for him which goes on like this. So those that came with this one, cutie, looking really cute. This one of them has a handbag and I can't remember which one holds it, but this one as well. Then we have this one, this one, quite a few here. This one, so some of these will only be available on premium. We got her, and her head keeps falling off, so I need to probably glue that. Probably my granddaughter was playing with it. We know how that goes down, so I need to glue that one back on. Then we have this and some of the other little bits and pieces, and I can't remember which ones are premium, which ones aren't. Oh, beg your pardon. There's one more, a little character there. Can't remember which ones. Oh, one more. Gosh. As you can see, there's a lot of characters for it. It also came with a little bridge. This is definitely premium. And I had some food products too, and some little sacks go in here. Got an umbrella. Oh, I can't remember the name of this. I should know the name of this. I want to say it's Thing or something like that, but I could very well be getting confused with the Addams Family or something. Anyway, got a cute little face on. Oh, another little one. Got her as well. Got a couple of pictures. Again, I think these were premium. And where's the other picture gone? There's another one with a picture of a ship. And we had some binoculars. Here we go. The cabbage, which was rolling around earlier. Dustpan and brush. Then we have some other veg and little bits and pieces. I mean, there's other pieces that we've made which you get automatically anyway. The handbag belongs to one. It's not going to belong to him, I don't think. So the only one I can think of where it may stay on, maybe here, this one. Then we got like a little fruit barrel, as it immediately came off anyway, and a cake on a plate by the looks of it. So that's kind of where we are, and what I've done with the house. Like I said, mine is all stuck down, so it kind of gives you an idea of how it will look with lighting. I might very well put some better lampshades over the lights so they don't glare like that, which I will just stick over the bulb. But anyway, just bear with me. All right, and that's it. Hopefully it gives you some ideas of what you can do. Like I said, this was kind of a lifesaver, really. I really didn't like the plastic look. And there's my puppy, of course, having a look at all the bits and pieces. I didn't like the plasticky look of the stairs and things, so I thought, well, why not do something else? And it really did come. You can get it in lots of different sizes. I do have a yellow one, haven't used that one yet, but blue worked just fine for me anyway. So yeah, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. Slightly different to the build, and not one I can totally mess up, I don't think, other than this one's head falling off wherever she's gone. Where is she? She's headless. He's hatless now. Oh, this one with her head. I just need to fasten it on. Anyway, so there we are. So please do like and subscribe. Hope it's given you some ideas of wiring. I just use, like I say, straight wire straight on the ceiling, used Bondic to attach it, drilled a few holes in the ceilings and floors so that they could go through, and I took them all the way to that basement drawer. So it does mean that the basement drawer doesn't fully open and can't come out because of the way the wiring is, but they do all work, other than the one which I had in that stove, which glowed red, which isn't working right now, and I probably won't go back and retrace where that wire has come off. It was a bit of a pain in the butt, to be honest with you. Anyway, that's where we are. Like I say, like and subscribe. Leave any comments that you have, either in the comment section, or just send me an email and I will get back to you as soon as I can, if it's a question or, you know, if you've just got a comment. And please do take care of yourself. Take care. Bye bye.